Just have a look at this onshore flow that's bringing in the cloud and showers on Tuesday morning for the Eastern Cape, East Coast and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. And the later thunderstorms expected to develop over the bordering regions of the Northern Cape and Northwest. Those storms can also become severe from the afternoon. We've got a level 2 warning in place for storms resulting in hail or a quick heavy downpour. A few patchy storms likely in the Free State, but most of the storms confined to the areas near the Drakensberg as well as over Lesotho. A few morning showers likely along the southern coastline and in the Eastern Cape. A rainy Tuesday morning for the Wild Coast, scattered showers for KwaZulu-Natal, isolated showers for the northern regions, and drizzle the morning along the eastern escarpment. And remember, we've got that level 2 warning in place for thunderstorms that could become severe and move over the bordering regions of Northwest as well as the Northern Cape. Where it's red, you'll have peak performance on your solar panel, but we know it's cloudy and rainy, especially the morning in the Eastern Cape and large parts of KwaZulu-Natal. That's due to this onshore flow of air that's bringing in the cloud and cooler weather as well as light showers. We expect it to become strong and blow easterly along the south coast on Tuesday. We're expecting things to become hot in the west coast due to berg winds with 40 degrees in Ferndale and Clanwilliam, but then this easterly wind blowing fresh to strong over the Overstrand, 30 degrees in Cape Town. Also windy for the Garden Route with a fresh to strong easterly wind blowing maximum temperatures in the mid-20s and humid for parts of the Karoo. Lots of cloud hanging over the Eastern Cape with this onshore flow bringing in rain the morning and especially rainy early on Tuesday morning between Coffee Bay and Port St. John's. We're expecting cool conditions in these regions with only 17 degrees in Kua. The same onshore flow is expected to bring in lots of cloud and light showers for KwaZulu-Natal, scattered expected along the coast with 26 degrees in Durban. And then in Mpumalanga, we're expecting some drizzle the morning along the escarpment, later heating up to 28 degrees in Bombela. It's a mainly sunny to partly cloudy and windy afternoon. That south-southeasterly wind also starting to pick up in Limpopo with drizzle the morning likely along the escarpment, but later heating up to 30 degrees in Thohoyandou as well as Tzaneen. And then in northwest, becoming hot the afternoon, temperatures above 30. The wind also picking up with scattered storms expected to move over the western regions. And remember, we've got that level 2 warning in place where those storms could likely become severe. In the Northern Cape, it's hot and humid at times with a high of 39 degrees in Upington, also soaring to 36 degrees in Springbok. Storms expected to develop over the northeastern regions, moving close to Pietermaritzburg and over Kimberley, with a few patchy storms likely in the Free State after a hot day with 34 degrees in Bloemfontein. But as mentioned, most of the storms confined to the bordering regions of Lesotho and over the Drakensberg with 30 degrees in Vicksburg. In Gauteng, 28 in Johannesburg and peaking at 30 degrees in Pretoria, an easterly wind blowing moderate at times and fresh here and there with maximum temperatures also close to 30 degrees over the southern regions. And then on Wednesday, we're expecting showers over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and then a sunny day for Gauteng with 30 degrees in Pretoria. A band of storms moving over the Northern Cape, spreading into the Free State and Eastern Cape. And extremely hot and sunny in the west with 36 degrees in Ferndale, the mother city, peaking at 32 degrees. Into Thursday, the band of storms spreading a little bit more northeastwards over the rest of northwest and later reaching Gauteng, and a windy day for the coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape with 30 degrees in Gqeberha. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.